The control systems that exist today in the car industry are not adapted to driving mode. These systems force the driver to take his eyes off the road and hands off the wheel, and thus endanger life. So how can we enjoy technology without risking our lives and the lives of others? Meet B-Scorpion, a unique patent-pending system which is installed on the steering wheel and allows the driver to control all vehicle systems and multimedia without looking away from the road. The system has two high-quality touchscreens and control buttons that allow the driver to simultaneously control both the steering wheel and the various vehicle systems. The B-Scorpion system allows you to control all vehicle systems, such as air conditioning, radio, lights, gears, mirrors, suspension, and more. B-Scorpion can interface with different multimedia systems and can suit all car manufacturers, so the driver enjoys a more comfortable, technological, and safe driving experience. B-Scorpion, keep your eyes on the road.